Still coming after you. Prime Minister says COVID-19 response will not stop the authorities from pursuing criminals. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Also this evening, should Jamaicans wear masks in public? A former chief medical officer says yes. And part one of a four-part Primetime News feature on how rural residents are coping with the coronavirus. We'll have Krista Campbell telling us that story. There's also sports and weather this newscast, so stay with us. Details right after this break.